Hello everyone and welcome to my video series on Check Point CCSA certification. My name is Budar and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey toward mastering Check Point's security solutions. This certification is a key milestone for anyone looking to advance their career in network security and become proficient in managing and configuring Check Point's products. In this series, we will dive deep into the various components of the Check Point Certified Security Administrator, the CCSA certification course. So over the coming videos, you will learn about installing and configuring the Check Point security environment. So for example, we can take a look at what does this course cover. So we can see the objectives here. For example, describe the primary components of Check Point, identify features and capabilities, and the exercises. The exercises in the labs are very important here. For example, deploying Smart Console. So we will go through all these examples as managing user access and security policies, understanding and managing the Check Point firewall and policies, setting up VPNs, and much more. So each video is designed to build upon the last, providing you with the comprehensive learning experience, which prepares you for the CCSA certification exam. So now let's take a look at the network topology that we will use throughout the course. So the topology is this one. So in this topology we have several key components. We can start by talking about the Check Point gateway, our primary security device, and that controls traffic and policies. So for example, this one, and this one are gateways. Then we can look at the management server, which is this one. This is where we will manage our firewall policies and monitor traffic. So the internal network here, comprising multiple segments that represent various departments or functions. This is an external network, which connects to our network by a VPN. So this setup is designed to mimic a real-world environment. By the way, this topology is used by Check Point in their courses. Because this is a real-world environment, it allows us to explore and understand different aspects of network security using Check Point. Now we can take a look at our at my VMware Workstation. So here you can see a list of all the virtual machines that we will use during the course. For example, AGW1, AGW2 are the gateways. BGW are a gateway, which is an external gateway. The ASMS is the smart management server. And then there's a bunch of servers to help us go through this course. So I hope this introduction has given you a clear understanding of what to expect in the Check Point CCSA certification series. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. So feel free to leave a comment or question below, and I'll be happy to answer them in upcoming videos. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to guiding you through this exciting learning journey. So see you in the next video, where we will go through these servers and deploying them, because I have only installed them and they need to be deployed as this topology. So we will follow this topology, follow these IP addresses and guides to do that. So again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.